Occidental. We are in the province of Misamis Occidental. The original settlers of Osamis City, Misamis Occidental, Zamboanga Peninsula, and some parts in northern Mindanao are the Subanen. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, as what you are seeing right now are the different livelihood rituals of the Subanen tribe. Subanen tribe is one of the most preserved rituals in the Philippines. Friends, this is a way of saying welcome to Osamis City, Misamis Occidental, the original settlers of Misamis Occidental, the Subanen, the Osamis City National High School Special Program in the Arts.
Gambag ng gulang napigla kanangan, pagsabag ng gandaw na kanamaitan. Ang manok, sigig lazog, izemyak paitan, sagbuhay ng tinaburan. Dulangan na muna migdamang-damang, izemyak parapit sa balyak palgabon, izemyak para ramdam na itamamulan, magambatan namon, gampia agakhan.
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, Gambia Pagdatang. Gambia Pagdatang in Subanen term, which means welcome. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the city of Osamis, Misamis Occidental. At this point in time, we would like to acknowledge also the presence of our winner, Loreto